Hello everyone. In today's video, I want to show you how I turned a simple drink bottle into a beautiful vase. The process is very simple. First, I cover the bottle by applying several layers of acrylic paint. While the paint is still wet, I sprinkle baking soda on top. Next, I use a patterned paper napkin that has 4 layers. I separate all the layers and keep only the top one. Then, with some diluted white glue, I attach it to the bottle. After that, I apply another coat of diluted white glue on top. If you could create anything right now, what would it be? Then, to add more beauty, I dab some white acrylic paint here and there to create a dotted effect. Finally, I apply varnish to make it waterproof and to seal the patterned napkin in place. I love transforming household items and recycled materials into something new, and I want to share all my creations with you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a like and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as I upload a new video.